Hi guys, today I'm making Cajun Chicken Alfredo. Let's make it. Get a gallon of a Ziploc and then open the chicken packet, 1 pound of chicken, and then put the chicken in here. After you put the chicken in the Ziploc, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil onto the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. Now zip it and mix. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and a medium heat to medium 6. Place your chicken into the pan and cook both sides for 5 minutes.
It does have it.
After your chicken is cooked, you can now cut up into strips like this. Melt your 4 tablespoons of butter onto medium heat. After your butter is melted, add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And mix around. Cook it up for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Add a little bit of your Cajun seasoning and mix around. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And mix. After the sauce is done cooking, you can now cook your penne pasta. You can just follow the pasta directions. I'm not going to be filming it, so yeah, just follow the directions.
Might need a knife to cut the chicken. It's spicy.
It's good. It's got, I like the